Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Okay guys, here it is, Haylou Solar Ls5. You can see the logo here, Haylou, hello or Haylou. In the left side you can see U pin. This is in front, and from in the left side you can see some Mandarin language, and in the right side you can see some English language. Here all day heart rate monitor, 30 days standby, TFT HD touchscreen. Basic parameters are name Haylou Solar Ls5.1, battery capacity 340 mAh, battery type Li-ion, charging voltage 5 volt, and blah blah blah. Okay, here's some serial number. Now I am going to unbox this beautiful smartwatch. Let's unbox it. Okay, you can see the packaging. Beautiful. It can feel you a premium look. Now, dang, here is the watch, Haylou Solar Ls5. It's beautiful. Okay, here's the watch, and inside the box I have a manual. Okay, Haylou Solar Ls5 smartwatch manual. It's written in English. This is a global version, so all the things written here is English. Okay, now keep aside. Here a magnetic charger. It's very powerful and very useful things for this watch. Okay, and nothing else. Now I'm going to open the watch. This is the watch. You can see it's very beautiful. Here in the bottom I have a heart rate monitor. You can see here. Focused. Here something, the input is 5 volt, 500 mAh, 500 mAh. Proceed 2 AM Q. This strap is easily removable from here. You can see here. You can also remove these things or keep this. It's feel like plastic, but it's a silicone, but it's feel like a plastic strap. Okay, if I remove this thing, you can see the display. It's look very nice, not bad. It's a budget watch, so and now I'm going to open these things. Haylou, welcome. It shows that you can download the app from here by scanning this. We will do it later. Now going to next, add Haylou Solar. Next, okay, it shows that you have to download it now. So first we going to download these things. Guys, after turn on these things gadget and using 3 days, I'm just show you the function of this watch, Haylou Solar Ls5. The screen size you can see here is 1.28 TFT LCD display, and it has 340 mAh lithium polymer battery. It has G sensor and heart rate monitor. You can see here. The body is full metal. It weight 54 grams. Strap is 22mm silicone strap. It's fully waterproof, IP68 rating, Bluetooth 5.0, and charging type is dock charging. After 3 days of using this watch, I am showing you. If you go bottom to top, you can see here start, BPM, sensor, blood pressure monitor it shows, and next is sport, weather, sleep monitor, notice, music setting, more and setting. If I go for BPM, it means blood pressure monitor. It doesn't have any built-in microphone sound system, so if you don't have any kind of sound from this watch, no alarm, no nothing, you just vibrate. If I go for blood pressure monitor, okay, let's see how it works. Amazingly, it shows 95 to 98% accurate result. From this kind of budget watch, you cannot ask more. You can see 82. If I okay, next is sport. Let's see. It has jogging, fast walking, biking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, integrated training, gymnastic, basketball, football, and rowing. Okay. You can go back from by this, or you can just click on the physical button for back. If you slide, you can see it's a type of breath exercising, 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then the weather control, then sleep monitor. Amazingly, the sleep monitor actually works. Blood pressure monitor, and this is a statistics of walking. Today I take 6,000 steps. That means 4.37 kilometer and 201 calorie per hour. You can see. So let's take a look of his watch face. For watch face, you have to go more. Sorry, here a breathing training, find phone, calm down, and stopwatch. If I go back, then settings, here watch face. It's very disappointing that this watch only have 5 watch face. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and again 1. Many of you like these ones, so just tap on it. For itself, you have a dock charger. It says just simply connect and play type. Just connect and play. Nothing to do more. just it has magnet, so just tap on, connect. So friend, that's it. Hope this will help you to set mind to buy it or not. For my opinion, in this budget, you can definitely buy this watch. This is fully functional and full satisfying gadget. Hope this will help you. So friends, if you have any question about this watch or about my channel, please ask below. If you have any suggestion, please comment, and if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe and click on the notification icon. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?